Hello, friends! In today's narrative, let's learn 100 daily use English sentences in just 5 minutes. Practice these daily and speak English with confidence. Every sentence comes with its Hindi meaning for your convenience. 1. What is your name?
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
2. My name is Rahul.
मेरा नाम राहुल है.
3. How are you?
तुम कैसे हो?
4. I am fine. Main Tikun. 5. Where do you live?
तुम कहाँ रहते हो?
6. I live in Delhi. Main Dili Main Redahun. 7. What do you do?
तुम क्या करते हो?
8. I am a student.
मैं एक छात्रा हूँ.
9. I am working. Main Kam Kar Rahahun. 10. I am hungry.
मुझे भूख लगी है.
11. I am tired.
मैं थक गया हूँ.
12. I am going to sleep. Main Son Jarahahun. 13. Please wake me up. Muyi Jagadina. 15. Go there.
उधर जाओ.